Building technology cornerstone. TXGA SPE connectors come in 90 degrees and 180 degrees board-mounted sockets and wired plugs. The connector cable uses a single-pair twisted pair with dual-layer shielding design, with the product size being only 20% of a standard RJ45 connector, meeting the miniaturization and lightweight wiring needs of devices. The connector supports a rated current of 4A, a rated voltage of 72 V, and PDL power up to 50 W, complying with IEEE 802.3 BU/CG standards. Users do not need to consider additional power line connections, making wiring more flexible. The product can provide a data transmission rate of 1 bit/s within a range of 40 meters, and a transmission rate of 10 megabits per second within a range of 1,000 meters, complying with IEC 63171-2 standards, enabling long-distance high-bandwidth data transmission for devices. TXGA SPE connectors have a mating durability of up to 1,000 cycles, meeting the durability requirements for devices. They can achieve data transmission and power supply from the device to the cloud for industrial sensors and actuators, and are widely applicable in industrial IoT, robotics, building automation, rail transportation, cameras, and other fields. From TXGA SPE connectors. Enter TXGA official website. You can quickly obtain product technical information. Inventory and shipping cycles, product prices, and other information. Order online on TXGA official website. Enjoy a convenient and efficient service experience.